In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Paperform integration plugin in WordPress. To get started, head directly to the plugin installation management area inside your WordPress dashboard. This is the section where WordPress stores all of your installed plugins and lets you manage whether they are active or inactive. If you are already logged in, you can usually find this area from the main admin menu by opening the plugins section and viewing your installed plugins. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct place before moving on, because this is where the activation process happens. Once you are there, look through your list of installed plugins and locate the Paperform integration plugin that you previously uploaded. Depending on how many plugins are installed on your site, you may need to scroll a little to find it. It helps to carefully match the plugin name so you do not accidentally activate the wrong tool. If your plugin list is long, simply slow down and verify that you are selecting the correct Paperform integration entry. When you find it, look for the blue link labeled Activate and click it. This tells WordPress to turn the plugin on so it can begin working with your site. After you click Activate, WordPress will usually refresh the page automatically. In most cases, you will also see a visual confirmation that the plugin is now active. For example, the available action links may change, or the plugin row may display an active status. These small interface changes are useful because they confirm that the command was successful. After activation, the next thing you want to do is confirm that the functionality and tracking related activation setup is ready to operate. In simple terms, you are checking that the plugin has been successfully enabled and is now in a state where it can function as expected within WordPress. This confirmation may appear through the plugin's active status in the list, a settings prompt, or a notice indicating that the integration is operational. At this stage, pause briefly and review the screen for any warnings or error messages. If everything looks normal and the plugin shows as active, that means the activation step is complete and your Paperform integration plugin is ready for the next part of your setup. Taking a few extra seconds to verify this now can help prevent confusion later and ensures that your integration is properly turned on before you continue.